Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I like to share with you some shabby ruby tags that I made. I believe they're super shabby and I think they came out beautiful. These are the images that I use. This is an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper and you can see that I made them quite large. I did have to make them bigger because I wanted them to fit in these tags and I didn't want the original size is smaller, and this is what I like about digital images is that you can make them bigger. Also, I want to mention before I continue that I do not color these. I can't color. I can't Copic color, watercolor, pencil color, anything, you guys. I cannot color at all. And this is why I love Polkadoodles, because a lot of their digital images are already colored and it's available in colored and black and white. And I really love that. So if you are one who knows how to color, you can also buy this collection as black and white. But I like to buy the ones that are already colored. I wish I can take credit for it, but no, I did not do this. This was all done by Nikki Hall, who is the owner of Polkadoodles. Also, the program that I use is the Silhouette program. You do not need to have the machine in order to use the program. It is free for anyone to use. That is the program that I use for all of my digital images. I can shrink them, make them bigger, however I like. The original size, I believe, is maybe like 3.5 inches. And these are, all of these are about 5 3/4 to almost 6 inches tall. And I wanted them to be that big because, you know, the tags were, you know, they're pretty long, the tags, and you can see that they are almost 6 inches, you guys. I think this is probably like the tallest one I have. She is about 5 7/8, and all the other ones are about 5 3/4. All right, so these are the tags that I use to make these, and these are by Prima. You know that these are designed for the Prima dolls, and these are perfect for those dolls, and so that's the reason why I made my girls bigger. All right, so now let me go ahead and show you what I made. All right, so I'm going to start with these first two tags because these are very similar. So I made 2 tags times 2, if that makes any sense. So I made this one first, and here is what that original tag looks like. And I added just some die cuts, and all of them have a few doilies in the background, and I really love that. Now this is a hair clip for a little girl, and then I took off the bling that I had in the center and I added my own bling, and I think that just came out so much more beautiful. And then now these flowers are from my stash, and then this one is from Daiso. This is just a bow that I added to the top. And then that says hello beautiful, and then just some trim. This is trim that I've had in my stash. I think this one might be from downtown LA, and then this one is from Hobby Lobby. So that's what the first one looks like. Here is the second one. Very similar. The only thing that changes, you know, is the girl and the flowers and the trim. Now this one says live colorfully. More flowers, beautiful flowers. This was another hair. It's a hair clip for a little girl. I added my own bling. This one is from Prima, and then these are just for my stash. I just added a bow on the top, flower in the center. That's what that girl looks like, and that's what the back looks like. And now this was the only reason why I added this piece of gold doily, paper doily, is because all of my girls have dimension. I don't know if you can see it. And the piece of foam tape was sticking out from here, and I didn't like the look of it, so I just added that to the back. So here is my first 2 sets of tags, and look at this beautiful trim. I absolutely love this. And then this one too. All right, now let me show you the next 2. So here is another one. Now this is the original color on this one, but I ended up painting it with like this pearlescent pink, and I thought it went perfect with this. And look how beautiful this is. I don't know if you can see the shimmer. It's pearl. It's really beautiful. Now this is another piece of die cut, and I just noticed that I was supposed to cover this up, but I didn't. guess I'll just leave it as is. Now this trim is from Hobby Lobby. I just, you know, cut it in half. Then this trim right here is just trim from my stash. And here is another Ruby girl. Now this one has 3 doilies. It has a black, white, and pink. And then these are just some die cuts that I've had in my stash. This one I did add some seam binding. And then this right here is from BB Crafts, this gold leaf. Really pretty. That's the third one. And this is the very first tag I made. And so that's what that one looks like. You can see that these are fairly similar. These two right here. Just added more trim. Here are the 3 pieces of doily. Black, white, and pink. She does have some dimension. And then just some flowers from my stash. This one is Prima. These 2 are just fabric flowers from Michaels, and that I like to use, you know, on my crafts. And I added my own centers. I just put pearl in the center. And now this, what happened was, I didn't like the fact, well, this one isn't too bad, but this one right here, it just seemed too empty. So I just added some of this trim that you can get from Hobby Lobby. And now this one said, if I had a flower for every time I thought of you, I could walk in my garden forever. And this one says, you are lovely. So here are my 4 tags. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone.